take one clean boiling test tube. Now fix the boiling test tube to a test tube holder. Friends, now to the boiling test tube with a spatula, add some quantity of calcium carbonate. Friends, arrange the Bunsen burner setup and ignite it. Now gently heat the boiling test tube on Bunsen flame. Observe it clearly, gas is evolving, right? Do you know what is the gas liberating? It is carbon dioxide. To prove this, take little quantity of lime water in a test tube. Now take the lime water test tube to the mouth of heating test tube. Friends, observe it clearly, a white precipitate is forming in the lime water. That is, the lime water changes to milky.
The changes we have observed here is, the lime water turns to milky. This is due to calcium carbonate is decomposed into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide.